How's it going, guys? 333 Motoring is back in the garage. Today we're going to be installing some ECS stainless steel brake lines, front and rear. Alright, let's get into it. I'm here on the left rear of the vehicle. We're going to start at the front here and work our way back to the caliper. So, tools needed. So for the top screw here, if you can see it, 11 mil. There is a flat spot here on the underside of the actual line itself. That's a 17 mil. And then you'll need a 14 mil to get the actual hose out of the caliper. And then on the underside here, it's hard to see, but we'll have to go from underneath. It's 11 mil here for the screw and 14 mil for the hose itself. And you'll note that the inner hose, it has the same adapter on both sides, whereas the one that goes to the caliper threads into the caliper itself. So let's get started. Okay, so we got the lines in. Let's see if we can see them there. We got the new one in here. You can see it on there. Lower connection here. Let's see if I can get down there. There you go. You can see the. Maybe you can't. Oh, there it is. So we have the rear one in. I will say, let's see if you could see it. See where my finger is here. So the connection to this, the second one, you have to put it into the caliper first because it threads, so you have to twist the actual line. This connection under here is tough, so you got to lay down and look up. It's the best angle with your feet facing back. This is the hardest one to get in because there's just a lot of tension, so you got to get the threads lined up just right. So that one's going to be the biggest pain to get in, but that's what the rears look like. We'll move up and I'll do a video for the front ones as well. Alright, so now we're up front. This is front right. It's the one I'll show you. So we got the connection here. This one looks like it's the 11-17 combo, and then we'll have the connection. Can't really fit the camera in there, but back here it's a 14 mil. So we'll take this one off first, and then because we'll have to twist the line to get this one out, and then reverse order. So we'll connect it here first, and then right up here. So there's only one line up front. So we'll see how this one goes. Okay. So the install for the front was very easy. Once you threaded it into the caliper, it was very easy to put on in the front. As long as you have your drip pan underneath, it makes a minimal mess. There's not a lot of brake fluid coming out. So the front was a breeze. It took only maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So the ECS stainless steel brake lines come highly recommended. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thanks again for watching this episode of 333 Motoring. See you next time.